stops stop you for tiny mistakes? Yes, unless you do this. Today, 10 legal moves make you practically invisible to traffic stops, plus a bonus fix most drivers miss. Pay off first. Police can pull you over for any observed traffic violation. Remove the violations and you remove most stops. We teach everyday rights. This isn't loopholes. These are smart, legal habits that shut down pretext and keep you safe. Traffic stops are among the most common police-public contacts in America. In recent national surveys, roughly 1 in 5 adults report police contact in a year, and millions of drivers are stopped. A stop can mean lost time, fines, points, and higher insurance. That means tiny mistakes are expensive. Let's erase the biggest triggers with a clean countdown. Number 10. Run clean paperwork. Expired registration or inspection is an easy pullover. Renew early, update your DMV address, and keep proof of insurance handy. License in wallet, registration and insurance in the glove box. Digital card ready on your phone if your state allows. Plate readers and routine checks spot lapsed tags instantly. Many states send renewal notices by mail or email, so keep your contact details current. Set a calendar reminder 30 days before expiration and another one a week before. If you move, file your address change promptly so your renewal doesn't vanish into the void. Handle it now so your plate runs clean. Number 9. Obey school zones and temporary limits. These are high enforcement corridors. Respect flashing beacons, crossing guards, and construction drops. If the limit changes, your right foot changes with it. Temporary signs often sit farther back than you expect. Scan ahead so you aren't surprised. Many jurisdictions increase penalties in these zones, and officers watch them closely for safety. Slow early and glide through. No last-second braking theatrics. Number 8. Always-on signaling and predictable moves. Signal every lane change and turn, early and clearly. As a rule of thumb, signal about 100 feet before turns when practical. No rolling merges, no sudden darts, no camping on turn-only lanes and cutting across at the last moment. Smooth lane discipline kills the improper lane change, stop. Blinker on, mirrors checked, shoulder glance, build a gap, then commit. Cancel the signal only after the maneuver is complete. Drive like your intentions are obvious to everyone around you. Number 7. Master the stop sign, full stop. Count a calm 2 seconds after your wheels halt. Rolling the line, also called the California roll, is an instant invitation to get pulled over. If the line is behind a crosswalk, stop at the line, scan, then creep forward for visibility, and stop again if needed. At four-way stops, yield to the first vehicle to arrive, then the one on your right. Deliberate beats hurried every time. Quick question for you. Which local rule trips drivers up most in your town? Drop it in the comments, and we'll pin the sharpest answer. Bonus tip at the end. Number 6. Speed discipline, not speed anxiety. Speeding is the classic stop trigger and an obvious safety risk. Use cruise control on highways to lock to the posted limit. Leave earlier so you never just this once yourself into a ticket. When the sign drops from 65 to 55, treat it like a finish line you cross already at the new limit. If you're unsure, ease off and don't chase a late yellow. Remember that flow of traffic isn't a magic shield if the entire flow is speeding. Watch for speed traps near hill crests, lane drops, and the end of passing zones. The goal is steady, boring, and legal. Number 5. Lights are the 5-minute ticket. A burnt headlight, brake light, turn signal, or plate light equals a lawful stop. Do a monthly walk around at dusk or in a window reflection. Press the brake with a stick or ask a friend to confirm both lamps. Turn hazards on to check both sides and click high beams to test the switch. Replace bulbs immediately. Many parts stores help for free or cheap. Some vehicles even warn you of bulb failures. Don't ignore the message. 5 minutes now beats flashing lights later. Number 4. Seatbelts are a visual pass or fail. In many states, an officer can stop you the moment they see a bare shoulder. Buckle up in the front and the back, every trip, every rider. Make it habit. Seat, mirrors, belt, then drive. Kids in proper car seats or boosters according to your state's rules. If a passenger resists, do not move the car until the belt clicks. It's safety first and one less reason for a stop. Coming up next, the one car mod that practically yells, "Pull me over." Number 3. Ditch the distracted driving tells. Eyes down, weaving within the lane, and late starts at green are classic phone giveaways. Use Do Not Disturb while driving, set navigation before you roll, and put the phone in a mount if calls are legal hands-free. If a message truly can't wait, pull into a safe lot, park, and handle it. Silence app notifications automatically when the car connects to Bluetooth. Stash the phone out of reach to break the reflex. Attention on the road erases the swerves officers look for. Number 2. Visibility and legality mods. Over dark tint, plate covers and frames that block text, illegal light kits, or a loud exhaust invite stops. Keep tint within your state's limits and your plate fully readable from a distance. Ditch the smoky plate cover and the frame that hides the state name. Check that no bolts or caps cover registration stickers. Fix any obnoxious exhaust before it fixes your day. If you just bought a used car, inspect these items immediately. Previous owner's choices can become your problem. Number 1. Adopt a defensive, non-aggressive presence. No tailgating, no weaving. No brake checking. Left lane for passing, then back right to cruise. Use the 3-second following rule in clear weather, and add more space in rain or darkness. Signal, pace, and patience make you uninteresting to everyone, including police. Calm, courteous, and predictable drivers blend into traffic and get ignored. Look like the safest bet on the road, and you become invisible. Legal reality check. Courts allow pretext stops. Any observed traffic violation can make a stop lawful, regardless of the officer's motive. Your best defense is 0 violations. Erase the small stuff and you remove the opening. If a mistake happens, correct it immediately and tighten your routine. Bonus tip. Build a 5-minute Sunday checklist. Tires, lights, license plate, fluids, stickers, and windshield. Top off washer fluid, clear the plate, confirm tags, and skim for cracks or sharp edges. Test the horn and wipers and listen for new noises on a short drive. Set a repeating reminder on your phone. A tiny routine now prevents a giant headache later. If you're still stopped despite your best driving, stay calm and professional. Signal and pull over safely. Roll your window down, turn off music, and keep both hands visible on the wheel. At night, consider switching on the interior dome light so your hands are clearly seen. Have license, registration, and insurance ready. When the officer approaches, a simple, respectful question is fine. What was the reason for the stop? Answer what you must, provide documents promptly, and keep movements slow and deliberate. Do not argue the facts on the roadside. If you receive a warning or a citation, you can challenge it later through the proper process. Erase the triggers and you erase most stops. Save this video and share it with someone who needs a clean slate. Want state-by-state guides for tint, plates, and phone rules? Comment the word State Guide, and we'll post a video. Drive safe, stay invisible, and know your rights.